Now, I have an idea for all of you. Go get a shovel and start digging. Because one man, whose name is Hamad bin Hamdan al-Ayyan, has his name visible from space. This 63-year-old who is the president of United Arab Emirates, or however you say it, he hired a crew to work for weeks, and they dug his name in sand, and it was actually dug on an island he owned. And I guess when you're a president of a big oil company, money doesn't really matter. He also has a pyramid filled with 200 cars. He got a custom pyramid built so it could hold 200 cars. This guy's just crazy. I wonder what he's gonna do next. Ow. What do I have to get a Laura Simpson? Stop snoring. The Crown Plaza in London now has what they call snore monitors. Their job is to listen out for offensive noises and knock on people's doors if they snore too loud. And get this, if you're a repeat offender, they can actually make you switch rooms into a snore-proof room. And these rooms have soundproofed walls, anti-snoring pillows, and white noise machines to alter the snoring sounds. I'm not really sure what this hotel is thinking. It's a lot of money to spend on something like that, but I guess it's a luxury hotel, and they can afford it, and they want their guests to have such a good experience at their hotel, so they'll come back. Also, you better stock up on your TP for your bunghole, because you won't want to miss this. Beavis and Butthead will be back in October, and they're going to have a whole new series and everything, so stay tuned for that. Anywho, you'll probably see a video this week of me, a vlog, won't be a show, so we'll see you guys then. Hit the subscribe button above, wherever it is. Hit the thumbs up button below. Like it, whatever. See you later.